another video. Today we have the Honda Civic Type R EK9 with a B16B engine up front. We're back at beautiful Ibaraki Prefecture in Japan on mountain scuba, and we're just going to go for a drive. Perfect weather, perfect conditions, so please enjoy. This thing is planted to the ground like a go-kart. Got the Buddy Club P1s wrapped in Tenza REs, and on a 1.1 ton or less car, this thing is rapid. Now I can see the hype and excitement about this, because boy, it is fun to drive, especially when you take it to B roads like this one here, going downhill as well. Go-kart handling, they're fun. Oh, that VTEC switchover is so nice. Oh, I can't get over the fact of the handling as well. Gear shift is nice, smooth, slots into place nicely. Listen to that VTEC. Loves it. And this thing is stuck to the floor. It feels so good. Gear changes so nice and smooth. I think some roadworks up ahead, so just forgot where it was. Oh, lovely. Definitely a driver's car. I loved sitting back in here with that 90s feel. Can't believe this car is 23 years old. 23 years old. I had to say that again because I'm in disbelief. Where has the time gone? And jumping into something like this compared to sort of the newer cars I've been in, and it's a whole different game. Alright, we're on the downhill, so this is where Civic comes a bit more alive. I tried the uphill, it is a bit sluggish, so I much prefer the downhill with this. For those that put B18s or K20s in here, man, that thing must have been, you know, that thing must be flying. know they only made limited numbers of these. So if you got your hands on one, I would definitely be keeping that. Thank you very much, sir. There's the roadworks. We are now free. Hit the VTEC, uphill. Hey, you can do that all day, every day. So much fun. And these Recaros, man, I love these Recaros. I've always wanted a pair of these, but just never got my chance to have a, just didn't get a chance to get them. So yeah, proper hug your body in nicely, keep you supported through the turns. Just playing with the gears, so nice. Revving that out. Oh, this is bare fun. Got the Mugen muffler on here. And these are on standard shocks as well, so very impressive. Very impressive. Oh, the sound as well. I hope you can hear that just as good as I can. Especially that switch over to the VTEC. It's mad. I'm gonna say right now, this is a lot more fun than those high-powered machines. Especially on this course here, you just have a lot more fun. Don't need all that power. And you know, the steering is just so direct. Sometimes there's police in here. Yo. Oi, this is something else. It's literally a go-kart. Like I said before, man, I can't imagine what a K20 in here would do, or even a B18. I think a B18 is that sweet spot, you know. Again, we're now going on a downhill. This is another small course. This one's a bit more tighty, but nevertheless a lot of fun. But it's just at lower speeds, I guess, compared to the other one. 2000s, definitely something else. That's what I'm definitely familiar with. Growing up, I had all sort of Japanese 90 and 2000 cars. It's just a familiar feel in here. Back to basics. I'm so glad I've had no slow cars in front of me. These brakes are good as well. Can't fault them. Just look at this location, this road, amazing. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please check out my Instagram. I update that regularly. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Just motivates me to make more videos for you guys. And on that note, until next time, thank you very much.